While I got the K-member off, I just want to show you guys the fitment of the JBA Midlength headers. On the driver's side, it fit perfect. There was no modifications needed. The EGR pipe went on just fine. There's some people that were saying to hook the EGR pipe up first and then bolt the header on. So I did that and it worked great. What stinks about these JBA headers is they don't offer a H pipe or an X pipe, so I had to make my own. Retained the BBK X pipe that I had and just kind of cut and spliced where I needed, and kind of just built my own exhaust. For the passenger side, it's a different story. Right where this is hits against the K-member, so I just had to bash it in. I wish I would have hit a little bit higher, but this still worked fine. And this side's just a tight fit. I mean, even there, it's just barely grazing the subframe. And it's just so tight against the starter, but it's still okay. And then I had to make a couple spacers for the engine mount. This is 1/8 inch, 2 1/8 inch plates, so that's a 1/4 inch total spacer. I did that on each side. So yeah, with the spacers and then hitting the header, these fit just fine. And some of the bolts are kind of hard to get to, but you just take your time, drink a beer, don't be in a rush, and everything will be okay. So that's all I got for the JBA mid-length headers.